Good afternoon. This is Start to Finish, a web application that I created as a to-do list maker. It's in a Kanban style, so the board is separated into to-do, in progress, and complete. There are also other features that you can add to the tasks, such as searching YouTube and going on Google Maps. And I also implemented a graph that lets you know how much time you spent on a certain task and how much time you have allotted to spend on other tasks, so you can balance out your day and be more productive. The technologies I used in creating this were C#, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and ASP.NET Core. I'm excited to show you what it is. Let me get started. So let's go with Tom Lake's password. Let's log in. This is his Kanban board. Currently it's empty, so let's create a card. Let's go with buy a hard drive, and then maybe I want to buy a hard drive today. And then Google Maps info will be hard drive created. Right now it says I want to buy a hard drive today, but let me edit it. So it says I would like to buy a hard drive today. Just wanted to change it and then save. Now it says I would like to buy a hard drive today. Currently it's at neither a responsibility or a learning opportunity. So let's edit that and make it a responsibility. Save. And now it's searching locations nearby me that are with hard drives, that provide hard drives. So let's look at PC Guru. Has a rating of 5. That's where it's located. And there's a picture on Google Maps. Let's check somewhere else. There's Walmart. Walmart may have hard drives as well. One more place. Let's look at Staples. Staples would have hard drives as well. So that is the Google Maps API at work. Let's put this in progress so we can see how long it'll take. So I'm currently doing it. The seconds is rising up now as the timer ticks. And then let's add a card. Let's go with learn algebra. I would like to learn algebra. Whoops. YouTube info, learn algebra. Let me create that. It's currently set to neither. Let's change it to a learning opportunity. Save. And now we can, the search term comes up as a label and we can search. So let's search for learn algebra. Here are the different, the top 20 videos on YouTube for learning algebra. We can start a video. Just give it a second to load. And then we can access it in full screen as well. 1 second. Right. And then the video starts. So you can use this Kanban board to learn different tasks as well. Let's put it in the in progress as well as the Google Maps API. This is ticking as well. Let's wait a few seconds to allow it to tick up a bit more. Okay, and we can put this in the complete column, and we can put this in the complete column. And then what we can do is we can go to the graph, and here is where you can look at the different tasks that you've done and evaluate how productive you can be if you take on different, if you do tasks differently or cut down time on certain tasks to use for different tasks, for other tasks. So here's buy a hard drive. It's 103 seconds that it took to do this task. Learn algebra took 28 seconds. So you can see the difference there, and you can try to maybe shave down some of the seconds on buy a hard drive because it's 80 seconds more, and spend more time on learning algebra because it's 80 seconds less. So you could figure out how to be more productive in your day with that. Okay, let me head back to home. Okay, that is all the features of start to finish. I would like to say that in future iterations, I hope to have the Google Maps API placed on a separate page. And I would also like to have the timer be a bit more refined. And finally, I would like to add a Spotify API in order to use this for, and possibly even other APIs in order to use this for more leisurely activities as well. Thank you very much for listening. This has been Start to Finish.